And let's get you big breaking news that's coming in at this point in time. This is the reaction that has come from the Narcotics Control Bureau over this entire explosive developments that we brought to you first here on Mirror Now. The NCB has denied all the charges as far as extortion is concerned. The claims of extortion by this witness in this case, who Mirror Now Mayuresh Ganapathy spoke to, but has taken note of this affidavit and has said we'll look into those charges. Those are the details here at this point in time. So NCB has said they will inquire into the serious allegations and at this point in time, this is the latest developments here coming in. This is NCB's reaction coming in to this entire case and these explosive developments here on Mirror Now that we're getting. You remember the big claim by the witness has been that there was a 25 crore extortion deal that he overheard and that he then realized was linked to the Aryan Khan arrest. In fact, and that is the big claim by the witness. NCB has denied those allegations entirely and at this point in time is saying that also has said that the witness must approach court and not the media if he wants to make these kind of allegations. In fact, he said that certain vigilance-related claims have been forwarded to the DG at this point in time. So the Narcotics Control Bureau has reacted here to this big news break on Mirror Now. The witness, in fact, NCB has said that has issued this statement denying the allegations. We'll just try and go across to our reporter Mayuresh who broke this story to get us more details on this. But for now, those are the details here coming in at this point in time. NCB has denied all the extortion allegations, but with respect to some of the other parts that the witness spoke about, it has said that it has forwarded these points to the DG and it will be looked into as well. So those are the details coming in at this point in time. So NCB has said they would be inquiring into some of these serious allegations, vigilance-related claims at this point in time. Well, those are the details here coming in. Remember, these are big details and big developments here coming in on this entire case at this point in time that we're getting you, and NCB has now reacted to all of this and has said that they are denying the extortion claims but will be looking into the other allegations that have been made by this witness. Those are the details here coming in at this point in time. This is with regard to this massive twist in this entire case here that has come to light. This witness who was interviewed by Mirror Now's Mayuresh has made big revelations and sensational details which have in fact come to light at this point in time. So those are some of the details here that we have in fact right now. Remember, some big allegations that were made by this particular witness in this entire case. He said that he overheard an extortion conversation and also that he was forced to sign certain documents, blanked pieces of paper, which he questioned, but then he was forced to sign those blank pieces of paper. 8 to 10 blank pieces of paper is what he has said. So those are some details here. Mayuresh, big developments here coming in. NCB has reacted, although categorically denying the extortion claim. It has taken cognizance of some aspects of what this witness has claimed and has taken it forward.
Absolutely. Earlier, if you remember that this particular witness, Prabhakar Sahil, he has basically prepared a kind of affidavit and he has basically notarized that affidavit. So it has some value in any court, because if he is lying according to his affidavit, then he is liable for punishment. That is a general law. So let's not get into that. So Here, what NCB has done, they have reacted with the help of this press release. In the press release, they have said that whatever allegation this independent witness has leveled against NCB and any officer, they are basically not accepting those allegations. They are refuting all those allegations. But yes, they have taken the cognizance of that particular affidavit or some part of that affidavit, because according to them, there is some part or there is some portion which basically is concerned with the vigilance. And that's why they have forwarded this particular affidavit to the DG Narcotics Department, that is DG NCB, to take further action. So now, what will be the further action that we need to, for that we need to wait and see, and basically what NCB will be doing now. Because according to NCB, even if you remember, Avni, in the morning also, when the sources within the NCB, we did try to speak with them, they clearly refuted all the allegations, and their first question was that why he reacted so late and why he waited for 22 days.
Yes, absolutely, Mayuresh. Those are the latest details that you're getting us at this point in time. We're going to keep continuing our focus on NCB's reaction, what this means at this point in time, the fact that NCB has now taken cognizance of this entire development and has taken it forward.